Hello, family. I have zucchini grated up, and guess what that means? Yep, we're going to make zucchini bread. So let's do this, and then we'll have coffee and zucchini bread together. Okay, the first thing we're going to do, I put my oven on 350. I greased the pan, and we're going to add 1 3/4 cup of flour. In this bowl here, 3/4 cup. Where's my 3/4 cup hiding? Here it is. 3/4 cup. I didn't have enough zucchini to make 2 loaves, but I'm just going to share half of it with my friend. Okay, now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, one teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt, one and 1/2 teaspoons of cinnamon, I think I have that much in here. I'm just going to throw it all in there. I did have more, so I'll put another little 1/2 teaspoon in there. Okay, now I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. All right. Now, we're going to whisk this up really good and set it aside. Now to this one, we're going to put 1/2 cup of oil, vegetable oil. I don't use vegetable oil very often, but baking's only in baking usually. Sometimes if I'm frying something that wants a neutral flavor. Mostly with the deep frying though, which I don't do very often. Okay, now we're going to add 1/2 cup of brown sugar, packed. And 1/2 cup of regular sugar. Let's see if I can get that in your view better. Okay. I'm going to whisk this together. Now I'm going to add 2 eggs. Trying to get my camera right here. Oh my goodness sakes. Okay, now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of applesauce. That helps with the moisture. Makes it more moist. and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. I always use pure vanilla. Okay. And 1 1/2 cups of grated zucchini. Very easy, but very tasty. And it works great with the zucchini that you have too much of. I don't have a garden. All I have is just 2 tomato plants, which are doing good now. I don't know, once it warmed up, I guess they like that. So I was given by a coworker, I was given a whole bunch of corn and zucchini and tomatoes. I got a little fried green tomato just for a little snack. She gave me red ones too, but yeah, so next what we do is I'm going to add some raisins to this. You can add raisins, nuts, chocolate chips, whatever you want. I'm going to add some raisins. And I think I'm going to add about a cup. Raisins are good for you. That's what I hear anyway. I like them. I like prunes too. I eat prunes every day. I eat 2 prunes every day. I do that for the magnesium because I can't drink milk. I can have milk if it's like cooked in something. I can have a little bit of it once it's been cooked, but I'm not going to boil my milk to drink it. Okay, now I'm going to add these ingredients here, the dries. And we're just going to, we don't want to over mix it. We're just going to mix it till it's together. And if you grate if you grate a zucchini, because like I grated, I don't know, I got like 2 cups after I had froze it. It kind of shrunk, so I got about 2 1/2 cups of grated zucchini from, I think I had like 4 or 5 zucchinis that I grated up. So, okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the pan. We're going to bake it 55, maybe 55, 60 minutes. Halfway through, I'm going to loosely cover it with aluminum foil so it doesn't burn the top. Okay. All right, we'll be back when it's done. Okay, it came out of the oven. It took about, my oven is a little slow, so it took about 75 minutes. Well, let's see, no. Yeah, about 70 minutes. So, yeah, we're going to let it cool, and then we're going to slice it, and we'll have coffee and zucchini bread. Coffee and zucchini bread. Try some. I like my coffee. Here's a bite. Glad I put raisins in it. The applesauce, moist, 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 moist bread. You gotta try this recipe. Very good. We'll see you next time for something different. And remember, stay busy and serve others. Bye for now.